Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm very happy to be sharing with you that Celo mainnet is now finally on GenaDrop. So you can start making your NFT collection one of one or even photograph. Yeah, that's the newest feature on GenaDrop. You can easily mint your photograph. You can just pull out your mobile phone, take photos and then mint them straight to any blockchain that will support. So to begin we need to go to the mint page, and on the main page for this demonstration we'll be minting a one of one. Select one of one. Yeah, this is the camera feature I was telling you about. You can just simply like click on open camera and take a photo and then mint straight away. That's crazy, right? Okay, but let's just click on browse. If we don't want to do that, we'll probably be doing that later. And let's select GM by GenaDrop. So on the GM, we'll type for title. We're going to say GM. Good morning. Say Jenna drop. Good morning. Good morning. Um, so for attribute, let's just say just add background. Let's set is blue. Okay. Let's input blue. And also let's say text. Text is it's a white text. Let's say white. Okay. Yeah. And now you see we haven't connected any blockchain. That is why this place is probably blank. So we click on the connect wallet option. Here we can see the list of blockchains GenaDrop support near coming to Solana. And also bear in mind that we're still working on the UI. The UI is being improved as I'm currently doing this demo. So we just hope to see more improvement on the UI. So we'll click on Celo and connect. Click on MetaMask for connect option. Previously, I've connected my Celo wallet with GenaDrop. So yeah, it didn't ask me to like to make sign a contract to connect to GenaDrop. So we just simply connected. So you can see here, Celo is now choose Celo. Okay, so to mint, we simply need to click on the mint button, and it's going to ask us to confirm the transaction on our MetaMask wallet, which is going to pop up when it's done. And yeah, we're done. That's how easy it is to mint GenaDrop to Celo blockchain. Yeah, as you can see, it says confirm transaction. Click on confirm. Yeah, as you can see, the mint is not successful. We can either go to view on Block Explorer or go to our dashboard. Let's click go to dashboard and to see our NFT. Okay, these are the ones I have on sale for now. Yeah, now it's now updated. So this is our NFT minted to sell up mainnet. So let's click and list it for sale. Yeah, yeah. As you can see, this is the attribute we added earlier on. Image PNG, background blue, text white, and let's list. You can see the Celo logo there. Let's list. I'm going to set the list price for let's say just one Celo and click on set price. It's going to prompt me to confirm the transaction on my MetaMask wallet, which I'm going to do. Confirm. Yeah. So you can see your item is now listed for sale. Very quick and easy. That's how easy it is to like mint NFT on GenaDrop and also list it for sale. So let's go to the marketplace too. Right now we're on GenaDrop marketplace. Let's explore the one of one. We click on the viewer button to explore one of ones. Right here we can see so many NFTs, one of one minted to different blockchains to Algorand, Polygon, Celo, Aurora, and the rest. So, but then we want to simply buy an NFT from the Celo on Celo blockchain. So, to do that, we can easily use this filter to narrow down to the Celo NFTs, probably the one of ones. Yes, click on it. You see, it filters it down to only NFT that was minted to Celo blockchain. Yeah, these are the C like the NFTs we can buy from, which was minted to Celo blockchain. So, but okay, let's see, it's not listed. Also, we can offer a price for this not NFT that is not listed, but that's a feature that is coming up on GenaDrop real soon. So yeah, so let's click for something else. Okay, this one is already listed. It says love your local farmer. Okay, let's click on buy. Yeah, it's listed for one Celo. Click on buy now. It's going to prompt a transaction on my MetaMask wallet. Okay, I need to hit confirm. Yeah, so you can see transaction successful, and it takes me straight to my dashboard. Yep, and here we are. Yeah, it shows up on my collector because I bought this. As you can see, I've successfully bought this NFT, and also I can release it for a different amount, probably let's say two Celo to make a gain of one Celo additional. So yeah, that's how to buy a NFT on GenaDrop, particularly on Celo blockchain. Yeah, thank you for watching.